The Supreme Court on Thursday came down heavily against the Karnataka High Court for granting bail to actor Darshan Thoogudeepa, who is one of the main accused in the alleged kidnapping and murder of 33-year-old Renukaswamy in June of last year. The high-profile murder case had drawn a lot of media scrutiny. However, Darshan got bail eventually, calling the High Court's decision for the bail a perverse exercise of judicial power. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan expressed strong reservations about the reasoning behind the 2024 December bail order. This marks the second time in a week the top High Court has criticized the Karnataka High Court's handling of the matter. During the latest hearing, Justice Pardiwala said, and I'm quoting, "We will not give any judgment for conviction or acquittal," unquote, while addressing the counsel for Pavithra Gowda, who is also an accused in the case. In fact, it is Pavithra Gowda, allegedly because of whom Renukaswamy was killed. The bench questioned whether the High Court's bail order effectively resembled an acquittal, noting concern with the language used. Quote, "Don't you think the High Court declared an order of acquittal?" Justice Pardiwala asked, adding the manner in which the High Court dictated the order. Very sorry to say. Does the High Court dictate the same kind of order in other cases? The judges were particularly critical of the High Court's observation that grounds of arrest were not furnished in what they describe as a serious murder case. Quote, "A trial court judge making such a mistake is acceptable, but a High Court judge? Prima facie perverse order, this is," Justice Pardiwala said. The Supreme Court also questioned the Karnataka government's approach to the case after it was told the trial would be conducted daily. Quote, "Why this case? What about other under trials who've been waiting for years?" Justice Pardiwala asked. The state informed the court that the trial is expected to be completed within 6 months. Darshan and 13 others are currently in custody for the alleged murder of Renukaswamy. The victim, according to the investigation, had reportedly sent offensive messages to actor Pavithra Gowda, a friend of Darshan. He was then allegedly kidnapped, assaulted, and killed. The details of the killing were quite brutal. He had been beaten up with rods, and his body was manhandled and mutilated. His body was later then discovered on June 9th in a stormwater drain. The case continues to draw national attention as proceedings unfold in the country's highest court.